Imagine a world where everybody lives well on planet Earth. So not just 2 billion consumers that live in the quote-unquote developed world, but imagine a world where 7.5, 8 billion and growing people all live well. They all live well with less conflict because they're not using finite fossil resources to get the things, the materials around them that let them live well. Imagine a world where the materials that they use are regeneratively sourced, low carbon footprint, recyclable, and or can just be returned to the earth to grow new year after year after year. That's the technology that natural fiber welding is bringing. That's the vision, that's the future that we want to bring into life.
Luke and Aaron have invented a new method of producing textiles that reduces the carbon footprint required to produce materials or similar to or like leather and fabric. Their invention is important because fabric is such an important part of our life. Material that we use to clothe ourselves in my industry, make the interiors of automobiles are so important and they consume so much resource today.
We'll also be not just inventing just materials, but full products. It'll be new ways of making stuff. And when you unlock the advances in manufacturing that have happened over the last 20 years, and you combine it with what we're doing in material space, there'll be whole new supply chains established and new ways of making stuff. And it'll be not just disruptive materials, it'll be disruptive products.
Yep, I agree.